If your iPhone battery is draining way too fast on iOS 26, here are 20 settings you need to change right now to fix it. Tip number 1. If your battery drains heavily while your phone is in your pocket, stop apps from running behind your back. Go to Settings, General, scroll down to Background App Refresh, and turn it off. Or what you can do is you can select which ones you would like to turn off. But for the best results, just turn it off completely. Tip number 2. If your location icon is constantly popping up, it's killing your battery. Go to Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, Location Services, and set most of them to while using. Or you can completely turn off location services for the best battery saving optimization. Tip number 3. If you're using an iPhone 12 or newer, black pixels use power. Go to Settings, scroll down to Display and Brightness, and turn on dark mode. This will instantly increase your battery life. Tip number 4. If your screen brightness is always maxed out, your battery will tank. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Display and Text Size. Scroll down to the bottom and make sure auto brightness is turned on. Tip number 5. If 5G isn't giving you noticeably faster speeds, it's burning through your battery. Go to Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, Voice and Data, and switch it to 5G Auto or LTE. Tip number 6. If you get hundreds of emails a day, your phone is constantly working to fetch them. Go to Settings, scroll all the way down to Apps, scroll down to Mail, Mail Accounts, Fetch New Data, turn Push off, and set it to hourly. Tip number 7. If your screen stays on after you put your phone down, you're wasting power. Go to Settings, Display and Brightness, Auto Lock, and switch it to 30 seconds. Tip number 8. If you use an iPhone 14 or newer, the always-on display constantly drains power. Go to Settings, Display and Brightness, find Always-on Display, and toggle it off. Tip number 9. If your lock screen has active widgets, they constantly pull data nonstop. Long press the lock screen, hit Customize, and remove all the widgets you don't actually need. Tip number 10. If your phone vibrates every time you type a letter, that teeny motor is eating your battery. Go to Settings, Sound and Haptics, Keyboard Feedback, and turn haptic off. Tip number 11. If you constantly clear your apps by swiping them up, stop. Reopening them from scratch uses way more power than leaving them open. Only clear an app if it's frozen. Otherwise, leave it suspended. Tip number 12. If your screen lights up for every single useless notification, your battery is suffering. Go to Settings, scroll down to Notifications, and turn off alerts for apps you don't actually need. Tip number 13. If you never use Siri by just talking to your phone, stop letting it listen. Go to Settings, scroll down to Siri, Talk to Siri, and turn it off. Tip number 14. If you want to protect your battery's maximum capacity over the years, stop it from overcharging. Go to Settings, Battery, scroll down to Battery Health and Charging, and turn on Optimized Battery Charging. Tip number 15. If you have heavy visual animations, turning them off saves power and makes your phone feel faster. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Motion, and turn on Reduce Motion. Tip number 16. If your phone is quietly sending data to Apple to help them improve, it's using your battery. Go to Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, scroll all the way down to Analytics and Improvements, and turn everything off. Tip number 17. If your Wi-Fi signal is weak, your phone is secretly using your cellular data to compensate. Go to Settings, Cellular, and scroll all the way down to the bottom and turn off Wi-Fi Assist. Tip number 18. If your phone is constantly looking for other devices nearby, it drains power. Go to Settings, General, AirDrop, and turn off bringing devices together. Tip number 19, if system location services are running non-stop, turning off the ones you don't need helps. Go to Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, Location Services, System Services, and turn off the ones that you don't need. Tip number 20, if your phone gets unusually hot and drains fast, there might be an app that's draining the battery. Go to Settings, Battery, scroll down to All Battery Usage, and check which apps are draining the most amount of battery, and consider uninstalling or deactivating them from running in the background. And there you have it. This was 20 tips to save battery life on iOS 26. Hit that like and subscribe button and appreciate all the comments and support. I'll see you guys in the next one.